Welcome back. Today we will be modifying our deck panel. We want to make some pilot holes for some sheet metal screws. So in each of these surfaces that touch the purlin, I have come in and made a sketch where I snap to the midpoint, drag a line up 2 inches so that I can correctly locate center point for a 1/2 inch circle. And you would have to do those in each of the panels. At that point in time, we would be ready to perform an extrusion. And we want to zoom in close enough to pick each of those circles so that we can extrude them properly. And all 4 of those circles should have a negative value so that they cut and turn red. We'll check our home view to confirm and say OK. So that essentially punches some pilot holes into the edge of our deck panel. We need to save that and go back to our assembly. Notice we have an update symbol. Click to get the latest updates. That creates a situation where we're now ready to go find self-drilling, self-tapping screws from the McMaster car component library. So we're going to insert McMaster car component. We'll look for screws and bolts. And these particular profiles would be tapping, okay, and drilling screws for metal. And we need the steel hex head drilling screws for metal. These are going to be the 3/8 variety number 10s. And the part number is only the 1-inch part. Once we get that far along, we're ready to bring in our product detail. Make sure you're using a 3D step and save it into the design. At that point in time, we position it in a more obvious location so that we can actually perform the joint. And this will be a rigid joint. Capture the position. And you want to use that circle right there and this circle right here. Flip. Say OK. Complete that on all 4 and you will save your work. 4 self-drilling, self-tapping screws for today. Save your work. Don't forget to upload to the hub.